Here's Lila on April the 5th, 2012. She's reading some books before bed. Did you just have a nice bath?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hat.
That's right, that one says hat.
Mama.
Mm-hmm. There's something in your eye? Combs, that's right, combs.
Yellow.
That is a yellow comb.
Yellow.
Green, yep.
No.
What color is that one?
Black.
Black, yep.
Black. Black. Green. Bell.
That's right, reading and balls. Good girl.
Ow.
Oh, it's folded the wrong way.
Bye.
Potty, that's right. That's the potty book.
Bye. Bye.
A potty, yep. You're getting a potty tomorrow, aren't you? Is tomorrow the big day? Yeah. Okay, wave bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you look at the camera and say goodbye?
Bye-bye.
Hi, say bye. Nope. Busy reading. Okay, good night.